I recently got this pan on Amazon to replace my old pan of 10 years that finally died, but I'm not that sad about it because I absolutely love this pan and I want to tell you all about it in this video. It's a ceramic nonstick skillet. As you can see here, it truly is nonstick, and I love doing fried eggs in here. They used to stick so bad in my old pan, but it works great in this pan, and it's also very large. I got the 12.5-inch pan, and I can fit a lot of food in here. I usually double recipes, so it produces a lot of leftovers for my family of 5. I also love the wood grain handle on it. It is heat resistant, so it's not getting real hot while it's cooking on the stove top. And it just has a really pretty look to it as well. Since it's so good at keeping the food from sticking, it is extremely simple to clean off. All you got to do is use a little bit of dish soap and a little scrubbing with a sponge, and the food comes right off of it. So love how easy it is to clean this pan. Super happy with this purchase, and I highly recommend this pan.